Hey y'all, Matt here from Summit RV. Today I'm inside the 2019 Sandpiper 379 FLOK, the front living fifth wheel. I'm going to shoot a quick video here, the inside, quick video of the outside, kind of show you guys some options and features that it has, okay? So as soon as you come in and turn to the right, you're going to open up to this big, nice living room here in the front. You can see you have couches on both sides. Couch here, you have a nice big windows on the sides of the slide as well. You have a big entertainment center here. On the back side, you can see the big TVs backlit. You have a sound bar here with a fireplace underneath. You have storage on both sides of the refrigerator, or I'm sorry, of the entertainment area, I'm sorry. Another couch here, another big window. Like I said, and you have windows on both sides of that slide out. You have your recliners here. You can double that as a couch or recliners. Coming down the stairs into the kitchen area, you can see you have a nice big island. You have blue LED lights there underneath. To the right, you have a bureau area here with, you can't put another TV here, but you have more storage above and below that. You have your LG full residential refrigerator here that's got the double-sided top and the freezer on the bottom. You have your Furrion stove with the window in the front so you can see what you're cooking. The stainless steel microwave here that is a convection oven. Beside that, you have a nice big pantry area here. Plenty of storage. You have pull-out drawers here on the bottom. Another storage area here. So plenty of counter space here for your coffee pots, your crock pots, all that. More storage on top. You have drawers and cabinetry below. You have more cabinetry here in the island. You have your residential style sink. You do have your double-sided stainless steel sink. Here to your dining area, you can see you have a table. You have 4 chairs. And again, windows everywhere, guys. You have windows on both sides of this slide out as well. Another nice big window right there by your dining area. Another big window here in the hallway. Coming into your bathroom, you can see you have a shower you can sit down in. Nice big shower. Look how tall that is. You have a big skylight there, so even your tallest people are going to be able to fit in this shower. A nice big medicine cabinet here with storage. You have your sink area. Another great feature this has, your washer and dryer, if you want to install one, goes right here in the bathroom. It's not in the bedroom. So a nice big storage area for that if you wanted to put the washer and dryer in. If not, I mean, look at that storage though that you can get. All porcelain toilet there with towel rack above it. Now coming into the bedroom area, you can see you have another slide out in here. You have windows on both sides of this king bed. Storage there over top. A big cabinet area there. Another big closet cabinet there. Drawers down below. You have your entertainment area. So you can put a TV here. More cabinets above. You do have an AC here in the bedroom. Another AC up in the living room. Kind of give you a view of the living room from the bedroom here. So you can see you got your other AC up front. You have a ceiling fan, lights, of course all your air conditioning ducted. You have the rain sensing fan there. So moving here to the outside real quick, I just want to show you the outside kitchen. So you have your outside kitchen here. Another stainless steel microwave outside. Nice big dorm fridge here. And of course, on every Sandpiper, you're going to have the grill that wraps around to your outside kitchen. You do have an LP quick connect there as well. So that's just a quick look at the 2019 379 FLOK Sandpiper. I'd be happy to answer any other questions you may have. Come on out and see me.